Okay, any Hicks sa Joseph karon. Amilig na mat Albara doon. Saskia mat Lauren Hicks doon. Saskia mat Joe Hicks doon. Yara negede azazula di doon. Negede. Ya so kolega ya mojosi legat hufoni mada negede hadi aleji dia suko saga ui negedonda saleji chiroin hada ya abiti ha hoyaden moin mitsit negede iron plastic going negative hunger simafulodit miho zofen more negative nagafti fully dimas iron machaske nak muat man negative madoklegarunga man negative man nak muat mijit afen waka des uzigidon Sukhades nak mo ginuzigiro. We give point negative iron matloslavegit iron more of a negative on the so mojasin gun hahohin man fully madation hayawat ya ya mujasi leji at negronda man audu mada haya man fully dundos. I was talking about how how this community became a center here. A long time ago, before we started, they used to go to houses and meet, and then they had pigs and cows that they had gotten, and then my dad made a arbor, or I guess you would call it an arbor, and then they made we used to have meetings in there, and when it got cold we put a plastic around it, and that's how we used to meet. And then later on they built us a community center, and we stayed there for a while, and then we got a new center now, and this is where we're at. That's it.